Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can search for text in messages on iPhone, iOS 18 and iOS 26. So first let's go back to the home screen, and on the home screen if you open up the text messages in here in the messages screen, if you want to search for text, what you do is you swipe down like this, and at the top the search text box will appear. Now you can see that if I just simply scroll down I will not see it, but if I scroll all the way down like this, at the top there will be a search text box. So in here you can put in the keyword such as accept. So if I look for the word accept and then tap on search, you can see it will show all the text messages with the word accept. So I can open that to view the text message. So we'll show all the different keywords within the different text conversations. So we can try to search for something else as well. So in the search text box here, it will also show you photos and documents in here as well. So you can find documents or photos. So again, we try to say I will look for something else. So fisheries, so we can look for fish. And then tap on search. So here we've got fisheries, and fisheries. So they're all coming from the different text conversations. And that is how you can do it on the iOS 18. If we move on to the iOS 26 here, and if we open up the text messages, you can see at the bottom here there will be a search text box. Now on iOS 26, this search text box is always visible at the bottom of your messages list, so you don't have to swipe all the way down. It is down here. You can always type in the keyword to find it. So here if I put in the word contact and then tap on the search button, then it will show me all the different text conversation that has the keyword contact. And that's it. So that is how you can search for text in messages between iOS 26 and iOS 18. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.